What is going on, guys? Marcus here with the Reformation Woodshop. Today I wanted to show you a new laser I got from KAPRO tools. Bust this bad boy open. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is the 875 set Prolaser, all lines. It comes with everything you see here, but who needs a box when you got the whole setup? Ooh, break it. So we got tripod, laser, glasses, gauge, lithium battery, and I think there's a few other attachments like that goes to the tripod. So it comes with this battery, but you can use 4 AA's as well. Beautiful. It looks like a little robot from Star Wars, if I'm being completely honest. The on switch is right here on the side. It generates 5 laser lines, 1 horizontal and 4 vertical, with intersection on the ceiling and on the walls. It has a self-leveling range of plus 2.5 degrees. It's got a laser indoor range of 30 meters or 100 feet. Its laser outdoor range with this detector is 50 meters or 165 feet. It's got an 0.2 millimeter accuracy. It's got a manual mode for tilted marking, visual and audible out of level warnings. It's got a fine adjustment knob, that way if you're out of level, you can put yourself back into level. The lithium battery provided by KAPRO is rechargeable with USB cord, and it is fit for this tripod with a 5/8 inch thread. On the top of your machine, you can see that you have the horizontal line button, the vertical line button, the manual line button, so that you can put it into manual and move it however you'd like it and set it there if you're doing a diagonal line, and your pulse mode. It's got a 360 degree rotation, so if you take this knob right here, spin it, you'll see on your wall, your line moves. If you're looking for an incremental change like that, all you have to do is that, or you can just rotate it up a full 360 degrees. We're currently in the process of squaring up this room. We're gonna take this wall down, break the brick out, put a door in here, and this laser is really helpful in letting me know exactly where the studs need to be, how far off that wall the cuts need to be made for the door. I'm able to send a complete laser line from one side of the house all the way to the other. One thing that's really cool about this laser is that one way to know that you're level outside of the glass on top is that you'll see a nice little red dot on the floor directly underneath the laser. So in this back room, we're adding in another bathroom. I'm going to use this laser to mark out where the wall is going to go that separates the bathroom from the bedroom. I'm going to use it to mark out where the tub starts and stops. We're going to need to avoid the window that's there, so we're going to line it up so that we can work around it. I'm going to be using almost all the features that this laser has to offer just to make this room perfect. I mentioned it earlier, but I just love the option to be able to slightly calibrate the vertical laser to sneak up on any lines that you need to sneak up on. I've had this laser for 2 months now, and I have used it in so many applications, including hanging cabinets, which is probably a cardinal sin and someone's gonna hate me for, because there are way easier ways, but I wanted to show off what it can do. Could I have made that any more difficult? No. These upper cabinets were a late addition to a house that we already had finished, so I had to make sure that they were in line with the base cabinets. So I used the vertical line to line up all the base cabinets to their corresponding uppers, and I used the horizontal laser to make sure that everything was leveled out. Just having a simple guide to follow when you're doing tedious work is so helpful. A lot of the cuts that I would be making freehand would be absolutely atrocious if I didn't have this laser. And I'm fairly certain I'm cockeyed, so if I didn't have this laser to follow a stud, I would be missing these screws every single time. I know I've already given tons of examples of ways to use this bad boy, but I didn't want to leave the video without a little basic DIY touch to it. I'm going to be making an accent wall for my son that is due in September, and I'm going to use this laser level to mark out all the lines so that I can get a nice geometric look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope the information in this video was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.